Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to adjust the ringtone and message tone settings. First, press menu. Then, scroll down to settings. Press OK on settings. Choose profiles. In here, you will see a variety of different profiles you may set. Human voice, for example, will have a human voice simultaneously read you back a number once it is pressed. Once you've found one, press Options. Scroll down to Settings and press OK. Here you can edit the following: rename profiles, adjust volume, and change ring and tone type and alert type. Thank you for watching.